Hey Zenfone 5Z, we have the same Snapdragon 845 processor, right?
Yes, we do, ordinary flagship.
Then how are you able to open apps faster than me last night?
Oh, I've just learned the order in which my human uses his apps.
So, it was by fluke.
No. You see, I have unlocked the intelligent part of my processor to boost everyday functions and keep the right apps running in my memory, so they can be accessed faster.
So, it was magic.
Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 with AI engine and OptiFlex technology to boost everyday experience, something an ordinary flagship will never have.
Superpowers.